I'm going to show you an easy way to do rock painting. First of all, you need your rock mould. Then you need some spray paint in grey. That's grey primer, terracotta and matte black. These are some rocks which I did earlier. So I'm going to colour them up, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do.
Still stand it.
I'm going to start by using the grey primer. All you do is give it a nice close colour for the whole lot. This gives it a base colour to start with. You can see that the smaller rocks I have actually used tape to hold them down so they don't go for a float when you're spraying them. Now use terracotta. With this, spray it a little bit higher, just so you get a nice, just a small spray on it. Right, you don't need to douse them with colour, just as long as they got some colour. Then use flat black at a good height and just blast it nice and quick. Making sure that you get all four ways. Turn the rocks around. You see how this is giving the depth to them? And there you go. There's your rocks. All done, all coloured. Big ones, small ones, the whole lot. You can do the same thing with larger pieces of plaster casts, which are made out of aluminium foil or the rock moulds. Same thing. Now if you notice, I'm not dousing the area with spray. I'm just giving it a quick coat. Now, if you hold it far enough away, you'll get a really good light coat, because if you do it this way, you coat it, it's no good. Alright, same thing with the red. Blast the red or terracotta over the top. If you want to, you can turn the rocks, just to make sure. Alright. Then get the black. Just give it a quick highlight spray. As you can see, I'm not close to the rocks at all. I'm a little bit of a distance away. There you go. There's your rock faces. And they're just ordinary plaster casts. But you can see how quickly they came up. Forget about this dabbing and that, just a quick spray like that. They look pretty good.